Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Tools folder, then access Recorder app. Now choose Allow in the pop-ups and tap on Standard. Then click on the best mode for your recorder, Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will stick with Standard. Now select this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this icon, the left one. And in order to add a photo bookmark, click on the camera one. Now select Allow and take a picture after choosing Allow in this pop-up as well. Now you can discard your photo by tapping on this X icon or save it by tapping on the check mark. Then, to end your recording, just tap on the check mark at the top right corner of it. Name it and choose Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!